Can I get a hallelujah? I mean, I guess I'm just a nerd, but these things excite. Hey, check it out. YouTube just released a brand new update, and it's a good one. In fact, it's gonna result, for those who turn this feature on, and literally that's all you have to do, it's gonna result in more views, more subscribers, perhaps, but definitely more watch time. So as soon as I finally got the information I need to really understand it, I can finally make this video. So my YouTube channel just got this update. It's called the For You section. Now, I first heard about this feature about 2 or 3 weeks ago. There were some rumors about it coming out, and then I watched a video on YouTube Insider about the For You section. Again, that's what it's called, For You. But they didn't really show the feature. There was no like, this is how to turn it on. And I want to give you all that information because this can only help you to keep viewers engaged on your channel. And we know it's so important to keep viewers watching your videos. Now, you may or may not have this feature. It's being rolled out to the public on November 20th. But as soon as you get it, for goodness sake, turn it on. Here's how you do that. First, click the customization button and then just scroll down and you should see this, recommendations for your viewers. Amazing! Can I get a hallelujah? I mean, I guess I'm just a nerd, but these things excite me because here's the difference. In the past, you would customize the layout of your channel, and everybody who came to your channel, every single viewer got the same layout. Now, if you have, say, 2 or 3 different types of content on your channel, maybe you've covered a specific subject multiple times, well, whatever the viewer to your channel really likes, that's what's gonna show up at the very top of your channel, meaning they're gonna be more likely to click and watch another video again from your channel. This is a really good thing. And fact of the matter is this, when you customize your channel, with the intent of really highlighting your very best video content, you'll be more likely to keep viewers watching. So this is really a good thing. Now, once you turn on the For You section, you're gonna have some additional options right here. What to include in the For You section. The For You section will only be visible to viewers when you have enough content. So obviously, if you're a brand new channel and you're just getting started, this might not populate as much because you just don't have a lot of content. And you can select the content type. I've got videos turned on. I've definitely got shorts turned on. They're helping me to gain more subscribers. So those people that are watching shorts, I want them to see those here. And then I have live streams turned on, but I may turn that feature off because I think live streams, the value is definitely live when I'm there interacting with my viewers and subscribers. And if you like these type of updates where I go over the features and how to best use them, consider clicking like. And I want to share some additional thoughts on really how to configure your channel page to really put your best foot forward and make that strong first impression. Below the For You section, I recommend one of 2 sections. One would be your most recent videos. This is going to help those videos gain more views. But I think a better way to go is actually to really feature your very best content right below the For You section. This way, it's more likely that viewers that are discovering your channel are gonna discover your best work. And that's what you'll notice on my channel here, Best of Brian G. Johnson YouTube videos. And look at those simple thumbnails, and yet those simple thumbnails have the ability to drive hundreds of thousands of views. Your job as a YouTuber is to get them to click and then to get them to stick. And the way you can do that is to focus on the messaging of your YouTube videos. It's not about crafting a thumbnail and a title that's beautiful. You don't have to be a graphic designer. If you struggle with thumbnails like me, just know that really simple thumbnail designs can generate really great results, like this thumbnail here. They stuck around long enough for me to get recommended, 92,000 views. I believe in your channel. Check out this video on the screen now. Do that, and when you watch, Alexa, play Loverboy. No. Alexa, play the band Loverboy.